Let's all get ready for some fun in the sun on Carnival Jubilee's first time in Cozumel, Mexico. We made it to Cozumel. It's a little windy down here. Temperature's pretty nice. I mean, about 80. Valor is next to us. Gonna have some fun. When you walk out the port here at Cozumel, this is going to be the main street. Some people were nervous to walk through that gate. What's on the other side? It's Cozumel. Cozumel Centro, 4 kilometers that way. Airpuerto, 8 miles. Emily, you were talking about me riding a bull? Well, here's my chance. I'm not going to do it. When you're walking out here on the street in Cozumel, people are always trying to say everything. The last guy was last guy wasn't enough. I wanted to meet his sister. Draw.
I wanna give my love to you, or night after night. Don't let me go.
You know it, baby.
When I feel like I'm done, just one look at your face, and your smile takes me home. You are my sunshine.
Let's try a little Mexican beer. Cerveza Indio. Tasty. Oops. I'm going to show you the label. It's good. Not bitter, not harsh. Like it. We are getting ready for a drone flyover. It's Cruz and his family.
tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountain top. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna